Hello, hello, hello. Today is the 26th of December, 2023, and for the last time this year, we're going to hear some change in trend times from Norm Winski. Norm, it's all yours.
Thank you very much, Jeff. When I was last on your show on Monday, December 11th, I gave the following forecasts. We had the night of the 12th, we had a new moon. Also that night, we had Mercury turning retrograde. The afternoon of the 15th, we had Jupiter lining up with Saturn. And we had that weekend, we had Mars at 0 north latitude, indicating these different markets, as you can see there. And we're going to go through a quick review, and then I'll tell you what I see coming up. So here we had 3 points for corn. We had the 2 points there for the night of the 12th with the new moon and Mercury turning retrograde. Mercury is the grains, and the moon covers financials, grains, precious metals, and oil. So then we have corn having a little rally there, and if you sold there, you would have made a little bit of money. If you were patient, you would it rallied back up to that point there, or Mars at 0 latitude point, and then you would have made even more money. So corn was good. Beans not so good. Beans, we missed the top there. We were a day late, and so that I counted those 2 points as a miss for beans. Here's wheat. Wheat was good. Wheat popped up into our lunar Mercury window there, and you had a chance for a short-term top there. Pulled back about 25 cents. Just for example, 20 cents is $1,000 in wheat. Here's cattle. Cattle, you were a day early on that high there, and then it pulled that back. So you had a chance to make a little bit of money. Cotton, not so much. You kept going lower, so that's a miss. And coffee just ignored our earlier signal with the Saturn factor there, and then it just went sideways, so we had a one miss there on coffee. And oil was really good on the moon. There's your new moon there, low of the month, and then we missed on our Jupiter Saturn thing. Saturn's in Pisces, which is oil, and that's why we had oil there, and that was a miss. Here's silver, was excellent. Look at that big down right into the new moon, and then you made the low of the month, and then immediately popped up. That doesn't get much better than that. Gold is somewhat similar, not quite as dramatic as silver, but still did well. And then you also had a pullback there for our Mars at 0 latitude, there for a pullback low there for gold, and that was good too. S&P, not so good. We struck out. We had 4 points, 3 were misses, and we went sideways for that one there. So that was not good. We usually do really well on S&P, but lately we've been having trouble with the S&P with the stair-step price action, going a lot of sideways action. Here's bonds just kind of going sideways, so we took a pass on that. Dollar index is going sideways, so we took a pass on that. Here we did get some good action in a couple of the currencies. Aussie dollar pulled back into the moon and then up and away. And BP, British pound, was going sideways. And here's your Canadian dollar. Did have a little bit of a pullback there into the moon for a nice low, and then up and away on that. Euro was a miss. So we add up all the green arrows, red arrows. We got 12 winners, 9 misses out of 21 for 57.14%. All right, here's what's coming up in the immediate future. Tonight we have a full moon in the sign of Cancer. The moon rules Cancer, so it's in its own sign, and we have that. We should add. I left one out here. I'm going to put oil here. Oil. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. So we got major change in trend. Watch for possible change in trend. Financials, grains, precious metal, silver, oil. Crude oil had a big update today, so it's a candidate for a possible top by tomorrow morning. Jupiter is turning direct. That's the opposite of retrograde, and that we want to, since it's in the sign of Taurus, want to watch for cattle and cotton. And then also the weekend of the 29th. That's the weekend of the 29th. And we also have Mercury in Sagittarius turning direct, and Mercury is the grains. Keep in mind that the stocks potentially respond to all events. Okay, so that's our forecast for the coming week. Here's who I am. If you don't know, I've been doing this a long time. I, right out of college, went to the Chicago Board Options Exchange, member market maker there for 12 years, also traded on the Chicago Board of Trade. And I'd be happy to help you. If you'd like to contact me, I'll explain some of the terminology, whatever you like, try and answer your questions. We want to wish you a happy, healthy, and prosperous new year. And here's my contact information. I'm in beautiful Naples, Florida. You can call me at 239-594-3939. You can email me. This is my email address, Winski@yahoo.com. It's also now my Skype address for now until we can get back my old account, Winski@yahoo.com. So email me and we'll set up a call, or you can call me and we'll set up a chat. And I'm looking forward to helping some of your folks, Jeff.
Norm, terrific as always. Another winning month for you in an asset class where 95% of all people lose money. It's really remarkable. We'll see you in 2024.
Thank you very much. Everybody have a great new year and looking forward to helping you. Call me right away.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.